Hi guys, it's me Bree here today, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I haven't been saying that very often. And today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a hardish butter slime. So, this butter slime actually has, I think it was 2 packets of clay. That's a lot of Daiso clay. And it got pretty hard. So, you need one thing to fix this. You just need some lotion. This is the lotion that I'm using. It smells so good. You're just gonna pour like this much. I mean, it's kind of a lot, but you need to do what you gotta do what you gotta do. And then you start kneading it in, and you realize that it's coming apart. But it does get stretchier. As you can see, it's staying together. So it's just getting stretchier and stretchier. And this is, the consistency is with this much lotion. I mean, it got really, really soft through that much lotion. And more, I think that could melt the slime, but I would not suggest melting it. My sister really wants to go through, and I'm like, just go through, and she doesn't want to be in the video for some reason. And yeah, don't you dare. And sorry if I'm like looking up or something, but that's her. I'm looking at her, and she's pretending to hit me and stuff.
She's pretending to hit me and stuff.
And now she's laughing. And now I'm needing more in. Just more lotion. So, the more lotion you add, the smoother it will be. But also, the more lotion you add, the less likely you are to mold it. And sometimes butter slime is really good to mold and just shape and stuff because it's really fun. And so it got a lot stretchier. And this bottle lotion is almost empty, so I don't want to use the rest because it smells so stinking good. So I'm going to get a bit more lotion. A B. So I'm just going to go into that cupboard. And yeah, so my lotion is right here. I just got some more. Sorry that I left you, by the way. Okay. So I'm adding a ton of lotion. Just give it that really extremely soft texture. I mean, this soft texture is I like it being soft. And so, as you can see, the lotion is coming through. Okay, so you can see that the lotion has come through. And this is almost the end result of the slime. I mean, this wasn't going to be a slime makeover or anything. But I expected this video to actually be longer than it was. I didn't realize how short it would take to fix a butter slime. You just need quite a bit of lotion to fix a pretty hard butter slime. And this is the end result. Well, actually, I'm going to add a bit more lotion. So I added a lot, as you can see. I'm mixing that in. So, sorry guys, I don't have a cameraman. This is why I'm not showing you when I put it in or stuff. So, and that's also why I'm mostly playing with it in the air. Ta-da! So, that is the end. Hold on, let me mix in the rest of this lotion, and then I can show you the final product. Alright. So this is the final product. It is very soft, very smooth, and let's see if it spreads like butter. It spreads! So this is the end result. thanks for watching. See you next time on the Slime Show. And I've also not been saying that. Oh, try to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And go check out my sister and my channel, Two Amazing Sisters. And also go check out my sister's channel, Samantha Murray. Yeah, thanks for watching.